All right, guys, welcome to another property tour. For today's tour, we are checking out this single-story home, as you can see, with an RV garage, and we are in the northwest of Las Vegas, in the community of Alia by Lennar in Sunstone. So here they have actually 3 different collections. So they have Alia, what is it, Point, Village, and also Estates. So they have 6 different floor plans. For today's property tour, we are checking out floor plan Kennedy, and this is in the Alia Village. So before we go inside, let me give you the details on this one. So this is a single-story home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms. It is 2,012 square feet, and starting base price for this one is $661,990. Guys, that does not include any lot premiums or upgrades. As I'm making this property tour, there is currently one available as a quick move-in, and that is priced at $674,695. You want more information, guys? I will have my contact information down below. Shoot me a text or give me a call. Now let's get started, because it is very hot outside. As you can see, guys, if you are looking for a home with an RV garage, guys, they don't come around too often. And this is a nice option if you have the RV garage, if you want that RV garage, or maybe you need just that extra storage. Pavers in your driveway. Your front landscaping, guys, does come included when you do purchase a new construction home. What doesn't is going to be the backyard, but we'll touch base on that as soon as we get to that point. Okay, let's get inside, because it is around 105 degrees today here in Las Vegas. Got the French doors. Let's go inside and check out this bad boy and get some AC. Whew. Let me turn around and lock this door before I begin this tour. Okay, so immediately, guys, as soon as you come in, you have the living room right here. Got these nice oversized tile flooring. I don't know, what is this? This is like this is probably about like a 36 by 36 tile. Really nice. Let's say about 10-foot ceilings. You got your dining and your kitchen. Before we get any farther, guys, show you a view of the living room from this angle. That's where we just came in from. So the dining is going to be in between your living room and kitchen. You can see it's a set of 6. Love the decor. Definitely digging this color scheme, guys. I love the light brown. Gives it that nice modern look. Nice oversized island. Easy seats 4 people. As you can see, 4 bar stools. Also, look, you have storage. Put this back. Quartz countertop, tile backsplash. Got the nice upgraded flooring. Before I get any farther, guys, Lennar is a spec builder. So pretty much everything you see in today's tour, for the most part, guys, you will receive. Just keep in mind, guys, that you will get different color and different material types. For example, you may not get this flooring, but you're gonna get some type of upgrade of tile flooring, or maybe some LVP flooring. Also, your countertops, You may get this white quartz, or you may get a different one. Backsplash, you know, for the most part, sometimes it's hit and miss, guys. Sometimes they include it, sometimes they don't. And also the cabinets, it may be a different color. But everything else, pretty much, guys, what you see is what you get with Lennar. This outlet is no longer available. Okay, no longer putting outlets. I did watch a video on it. I have to do more research. Not sure if it's because of that, or I heard they're no longer allowed to put outlets on the islands. Don't hold me up to it. I could be wrong. It could be, you know, the video that I watched could be giving wrong information, but I did see something like that. But I love the extended all the way over here. Look at this, guys. Drop a comment below, guys. What do you think about this kitchen? And right here is your pantry. Nice walk-in pantry. That's a tile backsplash. And over here, you got your dishwasher, stainless steel undermount sink. Osmosis, guys, you will get a osmosis system. You'll get a basic filter from a third-party company. Refrigerator is included. Also stove and microwave. What it's not, it's gonna be washer and dryer, guys, and we'll discuss that. We'll get to the laundry room on how you could have it included. But here's pretty much a living, you know, dining and kitchen area. What do you guys think, guys? Drop a comment below. That's the primary, but before we go over, let me show you the backyard. Unfortunately, guys, I cannot access the backyard. I do apologize about that. But I'm gonna do my best to show you from here. Like I mentioned in the beginning, guys, your backyard landscaping does not come included. You're just gonna get a clean slate, guys. You're not gonna get this swimming pool. But if you really wanted to, you could build your home with a swimming pool. Obviously, it's an additional cost, guys. But if you want more information on how that's possible, reach out to me and I'll glad to give you all the information. But for 99% of the people buying, guys, you're just gonna get a clean slate, just dirt. And keep in mind, guys, very important that you guys are aware, you have up to 6 to 12 months per the HOA, guys, to complete your backyard. At minimum, just rock. So keep in mind, put a budget aside because you will have to, you know, finish your backyard within the 12 months. Also, guys, if you guys are enjoying this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notification. Also, guys, any questions you guys may have, don't hesitate to reach out, guys. This is why I do these tours, to help you guys and hopefully one day possibly be by your side and run your business. Really quick, you got the powder room right here. You got one bedroom here, another one here. These actually have a Jack and Jill bathroom. I'll show you in just a second. And then here's the laundry room. Since this is the last part I'm showing you, let's just start with this. Like I mentioned, guys, washer and dryer do not come with the home. Typically, they're not included. But if I represent you guys, I'm gonna do everything possible to negotiate that and have them included with your home purchase. You can see it is optional. Also, it doesn't happen too often, but these upper cabinets is an upgrade. Look, you have a sink right here. You got your smart panel box. That's where your internet goes. And unfortunately, guys, I'm not gonna be able to access the RV garage. I know you're probably, Ramiro, you're shooting in a home with the RV garage, but you know, they keep them locked. I wish I could go in there and show you guys, but look, a little bit about it. You can see the little frame. It's hard to see because my reflection's on there. But you can see the giraffe, guys. So 14 feet tall, so easy access the garage with the RV. 18 feet wide. It also does have a in-ground clean out outside of the garage. So you're gonna have the interior of your garage also painted, and also for my EV car lovers out there, It's gonna be pre-wired for EV car charger. And also you're gonna have a hose bib that's gonna be inside the garage and also another one outside the garage. But if you wanna come check this out in person, guys, let me know and we'll set up. I'll get an agent out here to open up this garage and show you if you're really interested. Let me just show you this powder room one as well. This. Okay, let's start with this room on the right. So this is gonna be the first bedroom we're actually previewing today. Check it out. Love the tall ceilings as well. If we come over here, walk-in closet. I have to say, it is a good size. And if you come over here, this is gonna be the Jack and Jill bathroom. So you do have dual vanity, same color cabinets as the kitchen, same color flooring as the living area, but obviously different size tile. Then here's the other bedroom, but before that, let me show you the shower right here, which is cool. Have the door, shut it, take a shower, take care of business, and whoever's staying in the other bedroom still has access to the bathroom right here. Come in, do your hair, brush your teeth. Then here's the second bedroom. If we come over here, also has your own walk-in closet. Cool. Now, let's go check out the primary. But real quick, guys, if you guys are planning to check out new construction home, guys, make sure you don't walk alone, guys. Bring me, or if you're working with someone, guys, with you on the first visit. What happens, guys, is builders will often consider you unrepresented if you do go by yourself, and you may not be able to add an agent later. The big reason, guys, it does matter to have someone to help you negotiate price, incentives, upgrades. That's just to name a few, guys. So if you have any questions, guys, or want me to go with you guys, my contact will be down below, guys. Call or text me. But don't go alone. All right, so let's go over here on the other side. So this is gonna be a linen closet. Actually, I'm wrong. Coat closet. Wild guess. And here is that primary bedroom, guys. I'll tell you what, this primary is very spacious because even has a seating area right here. Still have plenty of space right here. But a nice TV for my people that love TVs in their bedrooms. I always hear some people say, no TVs in my bedrooms, or some people say, yes, TV in the bedrooms. Let me know if you're a person that has to have a TV in your bedroom, or you're a person that says no TV in the bedroom. Would definitely love to know. Then 2 windows right here, 1, 2, and then you have another one right here. And then a little bit of your backyard, guys. Man, I almost feel like jumping in that pool right now. I love those mirrors, really nice. Lennar has pretty good stagers. They do pretty good about staging their homes. Then check this out, guys. That primary bathroom, look at that. Dual vanity, got a makeup station right in between. You got yours and your partner's, both yours. It's your house, your rules. You got 2 windows up above. Plenty of space also right here. Look at this. I could definitely do a cartwheel, and now I'm pretty sure I won't hit no walls or these cabinets. But look at this shower as well. I love the shower because you can come in, has a bench right there. Let me open this door because that reflection. Has a bench. Look at that. Towel all the way up to the ceiling. Let's not forget the toilet. Here's the toilet. And last but not least, guys, that primary walk-in closet. Really good size. Let me actually back up a bit right here. You see from this angle. Then let me flip the camera. Show you this way. You have your attic access right there. All right, guys, well, this concludes this property tour. Drop a comment below. What are your thoughts of this home? Oops, that door just slammed. What are your thoughts about this home? Give me some feedback. Would definitely love to hear it. Also, if you would like to schedule a private showing, give me a call or shoot me a text, guys. My contact information will be down below. Like I said, guys, don't come alone. If you're not gonna bring me, at least have a realtor on your side to represent you guys. Trust me, you're not gonna regret it. Also, do me a huge favor, guys. If you guys enjoyed this tour, do not forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Until next time, guys.